Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is a quick video for my math students and knowing how to access the weekly paper pencil problems. This is for all my live classes, my self-paced classes, and for my practical math class. All right, so here I am. I'm just logged in as a test student. I'm in my Algebra A self-paced class, but this will work for most all of you. And I'm going to go to modules and I'm going to access the week 1 paper pencil problems, which is in the very first module here. Okay. So in this module, I'm going to access week 1 paper pencil problems. I'm going to click on it. There's some directions there. Again, the directions will just emphasize what I'm going to show you here. But we need to open up the paper pencil problems. It's a Google Doc. So as soon as you click on it, you'll be prompted to make your own copy. Again, you're going to make a copy off the master. And then you'll have your own copy in your own Google Drive account. First thing you want to do is retitle instead of copy of. Put your last name or your full name or whatever so I know it's you. And then here you go. You got some problems to work on for this week. Some various math problems. Now you're going to go through and work these out on paper and pencil. I really want to see your handwritten work, how you go about solving these problems. Some of them involve drawing some things out, solving, showing step by step. I want to see all of that stuff. I don't give you a whole lot of problems, so the ones I see I want to see done really well. But when you are done and ready to turn in your work, you need to go up on the top here to where it says Insert. We're going to insert an image. This is the first link right here. And then we're going to take a snapshot. You should all have a computer that lets you take a webcam shot. So we're going to use that to take a shot of your work. So I'm going to click on Take a Snapshot. I'm going to click Allow for my computer to access my camera. And look, there I am. You can actually see me in the video now. So what I'm going to do is hold up my homework right up here. Kind of look from the side. I don't have any work on here, but hopefully you have some magnificent work. And then we take a snapshot. You can take as many snapshots as you need, maybe even take a few to get the whole entire paper. And then when you're all done, you can turn it in. So maybe there's what I would turn in for problem number 1. I'm going to select and watch what happens. It now pastes an image right into that assignment. So maybe I don't like that there, so I'm going to delete that, but maybe that's got my answer for problem number 1. So I'm going to insert the image back to snapshots. Unfortunately, I got to start over again, but I can take a snapshot. And that's how you'll turn in your work. So even as you're working on problems at home, maybe you even live far away, I can still see what you're doing and go through and showing me how you would do all these problems. All right. When you're done, when you have all the problems on there and you can read it and you can see it and it looks pretty good, come over here and click Share. You need to grab a link so that anyone at Estacada Web Academy, that used to be our old name, can actually view this document, make sure it's not restricted. You're going to want to get this whole link, copy it. Then you'll come back over here into the week 1 problems and you can submit your work for this assignment. It asks you for the web URL right there. So that's where you would Control V, paste the link, and submit the assignment. That's it. That's pretty much it. Might be take a little bit of work, a little bit of time to go through these steps on the first time you do that, maybe for week 1, week 2, but I think you'll get pretty good at this by the end of the term. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing all these assignments.